In today's video, we are sharing 8 poverty mindset traps that will keep you stuck. Whatever you do, avoid these like the plague. Let's get right into it. Mindset trap number 1: valuing consumerism over production. Many people make the costly mistake of viewing money as just something to be spent, to pay bills or purchase more stuff. That is a consumer mindset. Making money for the sole purpose of spending it. It is vital to make the mental shift from seeing money as something to be spent to seeing it as something to be invested in order to multiply and produce more money. This is the mindset of a producer, someone who invests their money into assets that generate more money and often passively. Use your money to create financial freedom and riches, and then you will be in the position to buy whatever you choose. Sadly, our culture and all forms of media have intentionally programmed us to be consumers, not producers, for their own gain. It is a travesty to spend tomorrow's wealth on today's conveniences. From this day, diligently commit to becoming a producer, and you will be able to consume as you like, because you will have more than enough to meet your needs, wants, and desires, and even enough to help others. Mindset trap number 2: not valuing self-education. Our society instructs us to go to school, get a degree, obtain a job, and for many, the learning process typically ends there. Jim Rohn said, "Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune." In today's age where knowledge and information are so readily accessible to all, the playing field has truly been leveled. The opportunity to learn, to grow, and to scale are endless. Most people, however, fail to value and embark on a lifestyle of personal growth and development. But for those who do, the possibilities for leveling up are limitless. Commit to continual self-education and personal development, for the benefits are tremendous. They include an improved mindset, upgraded skill sets, greatly increased odds of reaching your goals, and an overall better quality of life. Mindset trap number 3: having little to no financial education and no understanding of how money works. People who struggle financially typically have very little, if any, financial education and understanding of how money works. People who are successful with their finances typically invest in financial education to gain an understanding of how money works. They understand principles, specifically financial principles. A principle is something that does not change and will work for anyone who applies it properly. A lack of knowledge of how financial principles work will keep you broke and stuck. Financial principles work for those who understand and apply them, but they work against those who have no understanding and fail to implement them. Mindset trap number 4: failing to guard your mind. Being passive and nonchalant about what we allow into our mind is extremely detrimental to any success in life. What gets in is often very hard to alter. As the saying goes, input equals output. The quality of the input impacts the quality of our thoughts, which impacts the decisions we make, which impacts the actions we take, which ultimately determines the overall quality of our lives. What we watch, what we listen to, the voices we allow to speak into our lives, these are all channels by which information gets in and begins to shape our mindset and perspective. Become a watchman over the gates of your mind. Be vigilant. Be selective with the information you allow in. And always remember, your thoughts greatly influence where you end up in life. Before we reveal the final 4 poverty mindset traps you must avoid, if this content is of value to you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to receive notifications of new videos. Also, be sure to leave a comment to be entered in our upcoming giveaways. All right, mindset trap number 5. Valuing entertainment over education. Successful author and entrepreneur Brian Tracy coined the term EVE ratio, which stands for the amount of time and money a person spends on entertainment versus education. According to Tracy, the average person spends 50 minutes on entertainment for every 1 minute spent on education and personal growth. 50 to 1. Too many of us place a higher value on watching others live their dreams than putting in the time, energy, and effort toward living our own dreams. One of the most effective ways to elevate the quality of one's life is to greatly decrease the time spent on activities that add little to no long-term value, and greatly increase time invested in learning and growth opportunities that will produce exponential value over time. Mindset trap number 6, having a scarcity outlook. We live in a world of tremendous abundance. There are vastly more than enough resources for everyone. Unfortunately, most people don't believe that. Instead, they view life through the lens of lack and scarcity, believing there is just not enough. They believe opportunities are scarce. They believe money is scarce. They believe health is scarce. They believe happiness is scarce. And because they focus on lack primarily, they continue to experience just what they focus on. This is a principle: what we focus on expands. What we focus on, we move toward. The Bible puts it this way: "For as he thinks in his heart, so is he." Proverbs 23:7. If you've been viewing your life through the lens of shortage, begin to expand your mind by reading more books, listening to audiobooks, and getting around positive and successful people. Drive through new neighborhoods where there is an atmosphere of abundance. Expand your horizons. Open up your mind to new possibilities. There truly is an abundance of everything we could ever want in life, but we must first believe that. Mindset trap number 7. Not understanding and valuing the difference between an expense and an investment. An expense is the dispensing of time, money, or resources with typically no return. An investment is strategic input for the purpose of generating a greater return, sometimes in the present, but more often over time. Wise people understand the difference and leverage the power of investing in their desired future outcomes. Examples of an expense are things that do not hold their value. Things such as more shoes, designer clothes and bags, the latest electronics. Obviously, we all need shoes and clothes and necessities. But buying things that we can't necessarily afford and running out to buy all the latest gadgets is foolish, when we could take that same money or a portion of it and invest in an asset such as starting a business, taking a course, attending an event, purchasing a book, joining a mentorship or coaching program. These are all examples of investments. A wise investment always results in a much greater return. That brings us to mindset trap number 8. This is a big one: failing to take responsibility for your life. Success is your duty, obligation, and responsibility. Grant Cardone. Sadly, there are a lot of people waiting, looking, and expecting someone else to come and bail them out, to come and rescue their lives. But the truth is, no one is coming. People may do what they can for you here and there, but why live in a perpetual state of needing a handout, when we each have the opportunity from our Creator for a purposeful, progressive, and abundant life? The choice to step up, to man up, to woman up, and to take responsibility for the quality of our lives rests upon each one of us. Refuse to settle where you are. Refuse to live a life of mediocrity. Whatever success looks like for you, it is yours for the taking. Go get it. If this video has provided value to you, please like, share, and subscribe to receive notifications for more valuable content. Be sure to leave a comment to be entered in our upcoming giveaways.